Is it bothering you? Why don't you move?
Bozy, what do you think? Does that look like you?
Family and friends of 6-year-old.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
This your favorite show? Look at them, y'all watching Zootopia. Soft ass dog. My fault.
What do you have, Harper? I heard you chomping on something. What? No.
Yeah. Sorry. I don't have anything for you. Go on.
Yeah? Is that something you want to do? You want to go walkies and maybe your daddy? Let's go!